What is going on, guys? It is Galactic Sun TV here, and today we're going to be talking about new COVID mask guidelines that are going to be implemented by the Biden administration and Biden himself. Let's jump right into it. So pretty much all of this stems from a bunch of teachers and teacher unions threatening and sending mass emails to the Biden Association and an administration for I guess an administration called the National Education Association had something to do with it. I'm talking about, getting the mass guidelines. They didn't send the mass emails. That was the teachers unions, right? So the teachers unions were complaining to the National Association for Education, right? And then, I guess the Biden administration thought their opinion was really valid. So they implemented a mass guideline. So pretty much the story goes is teachers and people that worked in schools, they were really upset with kids just being able to wander around the whole school without wearing any masks, right? They thought it was very unsafe for the kids and for the teachers and the adults, everybody who worked there, right? They thought it was very unsafe. So what they decided to do is, send a few nice emails, and it wasn't working, right? So they started sending threats and mass emails to the Biden Association and the National Education System. I think that they were a little bit more nicer to the national education system, just so, because they're a big association, you know what I'm saying? They have power, and they could definitely sway Biden's and the Biden Association's opinion, right? So I think that they were a little bit nicer to them, but they were not nice to the Biden and the Biden administration. They were very, very angry and very hostile towards them. There was threats. There was, like I said, mass emails. They were just outraged. I'm going to read an article by Fox, and it's titled CDC Tighten Masking Guidelines After Threats from Teachers Union Emails show further coordination between Biden administration and teacher unions. It says right here the Biden administration tightened its masking guidance after a prominent teachers union threatened White House officials with publicly releasing harsh criticism, internal emails show. So they received harsh criticism for the way that, the guidelines were going right now because of COVID. The teachers were upset because, it's not a safe environment for the kids. That was their thinking. And obviously, COVID could spread like wildfire. So they just sent mass emails, mass threats. And yeah, Biden and the Biden administration, they did something about it. You know what I'm saying? From the threats from the teachers unions, the teachers themselves, and the administration for education, Biden and the Biden administration finally did something about it. And I guess they're relieved now because they can go to school in a safe environment, COVID-free. Well, obviously not COVID-free, but a lot more protected from COVID. Now, my opinion on this situation, I think it's probably going to be like most people's. There's definitely going to be a 50-50 split of, should kids have to wear, or, should people in the schools in general have to wear masks? I think that they should, you know what I'm saying? There's so many people infected from COVID. There's so many people dying from it. It's just not safe. It's not safe to go to school. And if one person has it, everybody's going to have it. That's my opinion. And in my opinion, I'm happy that, the teachers got their point across, and whoever was part of this, setting the mask guidelines, asking for it, requesting it. I think that, it's a good decision. I think that Biden obviously did the right thing, because if you go to school and one person has it, you already know everybody's going to have it. Those college parties that everybody got infected, you can tell, it just spreads like wildfire. There's no point into going to school with no mask just for a little bit of extra comfort, in my opinion. I think that it's the right decision, you know what I'm saying? There's so many benefits of wearing a mask. And I think it's really the right decision. I mean, it could be a little bit more inconvenient, but you're saving a bunch of people getting sick and dying. So that's good. I applaud Biden. I don't really respect the ways that the teachers went about it, but at least they got what they wanted, the mask guidelines, the mask mandate. So in my opinion, I think that you know what I'm saying, the mask mandate was the right decision, and I applaud Biden for putting it in effect. You know what I'm saying? We don't need people dying out here just because people want a little bit extra comfort, right? COVID has already claimed the lives of many and has already infected the lives of many. It's just there's no point in, you know what I'm saying, COVID spreading like wildfire again and people dying, especially young children. You know what I'm saying? Nobody wants that. That's not fun. So yeah, I mean, it could be a little bit more irritating for people to put on a mask, and you know, it could be a little bit harder to breathe. But at least you're saving, excuse me, people from getting COVID, and you know, people getting infected, and it's spreading like wildfire. At least you're saving the potential of that happening, and I'm happy. In my opinion, I am very happy. I'm very pleased with the decision that the Biden administration made, that you know, kids are going to be required to wear masks in schools, and just people in schools, people that go to schools, no matter if you're a teacher, student, you know, whoever you are, a janitor, you have to wear masks. I am pleased with that decision. But anyways, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out, and I'll leave the link to the article down below. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and turn post notifications on.